1 month, thousands of deaths, oil prices exploding. In just 4 weeks, the war between the United States, Israel, and Iran has completely changed the Middle East and shaken the global economy. Here's how the first 28 days of the war unfolded. Week 1. The war began on February 28th with massive U.S.-Israeli airstrikes on Iran. According to the Pentagon, the opening assault had twice the firepower of the famous shock and awe campaign during Iraq invasion in 2003. The first strikes killed Iran's supreme leader Ali Khamenei, along with several top military leaders including Abdolrahim Mousavi, Mohammad Pakpour, and Ali Shamkhani. Iran responded almost immediately. Hundreds of missiles and drones were launched toward Israel, U.S. bases, and energy facilities in the Gulf. Iran also blocked the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most important oil shipping routes. Within 48 hours, Hezbollah joined the war by firing rockets into Israel. By the end of week 1, 1,332 people were killed in Iran. Oil prices jumped from $70 to over $90 per barrel. Hundreds of thousands were displaced in Lebanon. One of the most shocking incidents was the bombing of a girls' school in Minab, which killed more than 170 people, many of them children. Week 2. By the second week, it became clear the Iranian government had not collapsed. Iran quickly appointed a new supreme leader, Mojtaba Khamenei, the son of the late leader. Meanwhile, fighting intensified across the region. Israel bombed Beirut's southern suburbs, while Hezbollah rockets continued hitting northern Israel. The U.S. and Israel also began striking oil storage sites in Tehran, sending thick smoke across the city. Iran widened the war further by launching attacks across the Gulf, including strikes on Saudi Arabia. At the same time, ships were targeted near the Strait of Hormuz, creating major disruption in global shipping. Oil prices surged again, briefly passing $110 per barrel. Week 3. In the third week, the conflict escalated dramatically. Israel assassinated 2 more major Iranian officials, Ali Larijani, Gholam Reza Soleimani. Iran then managed to break through Israel's air defenses. 2 heavy missiles struck the cities of Dimona and Arad, causing significant damage. But the biggest escalation came when Israel attacked Iran's South Pars gas field, one of the world's largest gas reserves. Iran retaliated by attacking energy facilities across the region, including the Ras Laffan LNG facility in Qatar. The strike knocked out 17% of Qatar's LNG export capacity, threatening global energy supplies. Week 4. By the fourth week, the war showed no signs of ending. The U.S. deployed thousands of additional troops to the Middle East, raising fears of a ground invasion. Israel bombed Iranian steel factories and a nuclear reactor, while Iran threatened to strike industrial targets across the region. The humanitarian costs continued rising. By the end of the first month, nearly 2,000 people were killed in Iran. 1,116 people died in Lebanon. More than 1.2 million Lebanese civilians were displaced. Meanwhile, oil prices climbed past $112 per barrel, the highest level since 2022. Global stock markets also dropped as investors worried about a wider war. After just 4 weeks, the conflict has spread across the Middle East, disrupted global energy markets, and killed thousands. And with missiles still flying and diplomacy failing, many analysts warn this war could become one of the largest regional conflicts in decades.